What's our intro?
Welcome to today's cooking show. What? Okay, go.
What's up, everybody?
Hello.
Hi, welcome to a cooking video. A very different style of video today. I'm here with my girlfriend Jasmine. First time on the channel. Bye, you're done now.
Wow.
I'm kidding. We're gonna make fresh pasta for you today. So what we have today here is really simple stuff. 00 flour. You use this flour for pastas, for kasha, for pizza bases, everything like that. It's like the Italian flour, like they like it. They use it a lot. We've got some water just in case we screw it up. We've got some fresh eggs. And we have a trusty pasta machine right here to make our pasta later, which we'll show you. Really simple start. Essentially, you're looking at about 100 grams to an egg. So usually you do about 200 grams to 2 eggs. I'm just going to do this by eye. Not going to work out that well, but
let's just try.
Let's give it a go. And then, do you want to crack the eggs? Please don't get the shell in there.
Me?
No, not really. There's going to be more shell in there than egg.
This is so much pressure. Okay. It's just little, babe.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Freaking idiot! What are we gonna do with the egg now?
Can we put it back on?
Ben, you gotta make a well.
Why didn't you just put it before?
Use your brain! You're gonna put it on a mountain, you idiot! Watch! Let it go in the well! I'll show you.
I'm actually really sad. This is so tragic. It's on the table. What do we do with it?
We'll leave the egg there and just as a memento to one chicken that didn't live so well. Do you want to crack this egg this time?
Okay.
There. Let's screw it up.
Okay.
Okay. So the next step of this is to start mixing it with your hands, to get in there, to caress it, to, give love to it essentially. Just massage the love out of, kind of thing.
Okay.
Yes. You're like playing with it. You're not making it into a dough. You're just like, we screwed it up, lol.
It's okay.
We'll be back after the break.
Not yet.
Not yet. Now that's looking more like a dough.
Want to show them?
I am.
Oh, okay.
So we have our dough right there.
Oof.
Slap that ass.
About.
Now we've got to knead it for about 10 minutes. Kneading just makes it more elastic, makes our pasta more slippery, slurpy, and just makes it overall taste better. So it's all yours. Kneading. So how to knead. So hold one down with your weak hand and then use the palm of your hand and push away and bring it back. Turn around, push away, bring it back. Push away, bring it back. Push away, bring it back. So you see it's getting elastic, right?
Ooh. Is that right, babe?
Yep. Put your back into it. You're you're massaging it. You ain't making love to it.
I'm making love to it.
You better make love to this thing. It's my love.
Okay.
Hey, you did well. Not bad.
Not bad. Not bad.
Good size.
Good size.
Oh, this is a very nice day.
Is it?
Yeah.
It's way better than it started off as.
Oh yeah, we always screw it up at the beginning. Don't forget to drop a like in the meantime.
And a comment.
And a comment. Say hi to Jasmine if you like.
Say hi to me. Don't say hi to Kaiser. I'm taking over his channel.
The most important thing is not letting this dry out. So how we're going to do that is getting some cling film, and then we're going to let it rest in the fridge.
Can I see?
Sure.
Ooh.
So yeah, you just want to leave it in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes, just to rest, and then we can start rolling it out into pasta.
Yay.
Pasta la vista, baby.
Step 1.
I will be back.
Is done.
That was pretty cool.
Oh, that was like if you didn't catch it.
One eternity later.
We're back!
We're back!
Our dough's nicely rested. Just actually looking pretty
Ooh.
rock solid.
Firm.
Pretty solid.
Nice.
I'm gonna get some flour actually. Because this is a lot of dough, you could probably eat this across probably 4 or 5 meals, honestly. So we're just gonna cut maybe that much off. Should be enough?
Yeah.
Eh.
Wow, it's so nice consistency.
Okay, like that.
Oh, show the camera.
You see there? That's what our dough turned into. So we're gonna put this back in our cling film so we don't lose its moisture and the dough doesn't dry out. If the dough dries out, it's not gonna taste so good anymore.
So keep it wrapped.
Indeed.
Place some flour on the board.
Like that. Do you want to do it or do you want me to do it?
You do it.
Okay, just gonna get this flat so we can get in the pasta machine. Pasta machine's really cheap. I kid you not, my one was $15.
That's such a deal.
I know, and it's just so convenient. So essentially, super easy. 7 settings from widest to smallest. So you want to set it to 7, which is the max,
Widest.
the widest settings, like the wide angle.
The thickest.
The thickest. So we want to start it there and slowly get it thinner and thinner and thinner. Okay, so we're gonna pump it in 7,
Yeah.
and then do you want me to hold it? Okay. You turn it.
I turn it.
Yeah. Go. Pasta. 6,
Easy.
5,
Hands.
4. Look at the thin on this on that.
Wow. Okay.
3.
You got it?
Yeah.
Wow, it's getting longer and longer and thinner and thinner.
Okay. Pasta done.
Wow.
You see, it's like what we're gonna do now is turn this into pasta. When you buy a pasta machine, you often come with like pre-made grid like pasta, like
Grips.
grips,
Yeah.
molds.
Molds, yeah,
That's the
molds,
word.
yeah.
And it literally just turns the pasta into what pasta should look like. We're gonna do tagliatelle today.
Yeah.
The thicker one. We like a bit of a thicker pasta because it wraps around the sauce nicer, and it just tastes better, honestly. Okay, so simple as this. Literally, just feed it through the
Machine.
Okay, you ready?
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Look at those strips. Yay!
Our pasta. Simple as that. Literally, how easy was that?
Exciting.
Let me get some more, some flour, just so it doesn't stick. Look at our pasta!
It's so nice.
It's like your hair.
Bird eye view.
Our pasta's ready. We're just gonna prepare our sauce for today. Our sauce today is gonna be a sausage and mushroom based sauce, topped with a bit of cherry tomato and like basil and oregano, with a little bit of baby spinach, which is kind of out of the camera so you can't see it. Basic ingredients, really quick to whip up. So if your girlfriend or partner gets angry and you need to feed her food quickly, trust me, within 5 minutes, she'll be loving you back again. So,
That's true.
it's true. Okay. Some mushrooms, thinly sliced, really simple. Like, our mushrooms ready. Maybe a little bit of chili. Bit of garlic, just go smash. So that's our chili, our garlic ready. Beautiful ripe cherry tomatoes down the middle, in half. Literally, that's pretty much all our ingredients ready to go. And then in terms of sausages, we're literally just gonna use Woolworths herb and garlic beef sausages. Take the skin off.
Whoa.
And then you can just break it up like that.
So we got the sausage ready. So basically you just rip it up. Like that.
Welcome back to the kitchen. Jasmine's holding the camera for now. Okay, really simple. Saucepan for the pasta. Sauce going in this fry pan. You saw all the ingredients before. We're just gonna plump them all together, and then she's gonna be happy when she eats. Oil in.
Oil in.
Let the oil heat up a little bit. A good way to test whether your oil's ready, put your spatula thing, and if it starts sizzling, you're ready to go. See? Sizzling? You know it's ready to go. So, sausages, oh, why?
Sausages in.
Sausages in. And then I'm gonna go in with our mushrooms and our garlic chili. Let that saute a bit.
Yummy.
Now I'm gonna go in with our cherry tomatoes. Do you want to give it a toss?
Yeah.
I just hope that you don't toss everything out of the pan. I hope it stays in the pan.
Wow.
Yep, push everything to the bottom and then pull back. Okay, no. I have a feeling the pan might go into your face in a second. Push and then pull back. Yeah! Nice! So right now what I'm going to do is go in there with a bit of red wine, pour some in. We want it to reduce a bit. We want to get rid of the alcohol, but keep the sweetness. So if the alcohol's going out there, then the alcohol's got to come back in. That's really nice.
Such an alcoholic.
Water's boiling, it's up to temperature, handful of salt in, pasta in the water. Once infused into this sun, so essentially, simple as pie, open this up, and then consomme. And then just let that heat up to temp. Let that simmer for maybe like 5 minutes, just so everything's well incorporated. So right now we can probably put some spinach in. Taste the pasta time!
Nah, I think it's ready actually.
Okay, spoon it over into the sauce.
I'll spoon it over into this.
Yeah, with some water to drip in there. Okay, now get the thingy and just mix it all together.
Yeah.
Yep.
Mix it. Ooh, that looks good.
Yeah. Grab a load of pasta into our bowl. Toppings. Top. Fresh basil leaves.
That looks good.
Oh, flew away. Some fresh oregano. Oregano, however you like to say it. And then just shave some fresh parmesan on top. Like that.
Yay.
There we go. Our pasta la vista. Our pasta with sausage, tomatoes, and mushroom. Simple as that. Let's try it time. Let's see if you like it. Yeah. Ready? You like it?
Yeah, I do like it.
Very,
Good tomato.
very, very simple. Literally took us about 3 hours to make. From like turning on the camera to like now, it's about 3 hours. It's really fun. But worth it. We'll end the video here. If you liked it, or if you'd like to see, if you liked it, drop a like. If you want us to make other recipes, let us know in the comments.
Let us know what you want us to
She'll
make
keep
next.
eating, I'll keep cooking.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.
Bye.